Hey friends, it's Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor, and welcome back to Fact Friday, where I give you one truth backed by science that can change the way you look at your health. Today's fact: triglycerides matter more than total cholesterol. For decades, doctors focused on that one single total cholesterol number. But here's the problem. Total cholesterol lumps together LDL, HDL, and triglycerides into one big bucket. It doesn't tell the whole story, and it's not even a strong predictor of heart disease risk. So here's today's nugget. What does matter? Well, I think triglycerides. Triglycerides are the fat that's circulating in your bloodstream. And when you eat too many refined carbs and sugars, your body converts the excess into triglycerides and then stores it. So when triglycerides are high, it's often the very first warning sign of insulin resistance, the condition that drives obesity, type 2 diabetes, fatty liver, and yes, heart disease too. So low triglycerides, on the other hand, especially alongside a higher HDL cholesterol, usually signals good metabolic health, even if your total cholesterol looks high. That's why one of the best predictors of cardiovascular health isn't your total cholesterol at all. It's your triglyceride to HDL ratio. In US units, you want that ratio under 2.0. Under 1.5 is optimal. So I've seen patients terrified because their total cholesterol crept up above 200 and their doctor immediately wanted to put them on a statin. But when you take a closer look, triglycerides were 65, HDL was 75, so their triglyceride to HDL ratio was incredible. It was less than 1. That profile does not scream metabolic danger. On the flip side, though, if I've seen patients with a normal total cholesterol number, but triglycerides were well over 200, now that's a red flag. Those triglycerides are often the first clue that insulin resistance is brewing long before fasting glucose or your A1C pick it up. So here's your Fact Friday truth. Stop obsessing over total cholesterol. If you really want to know your risk, look at your triglycerides, your HDL, and your triglyceride to HDL ratio. These are simple numbers your doctor already measures, but they're often overlooked. So that's your Fact Friday. Remember, total cholesterol doesn't tell the story. Triglycerides and insulin resistance do. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.